What's the meaning of arsehole? Arsehole. Arsehole.
Arsehole. Arsehole. Arsehole is a vulgar slang term used to insult someone by calling them a contemptible or obnoxious person. The word is derived from the anatomical term for the anus, and its usage is considered highly offensive in many English-speaking countries. Depending on the context in which it is used, the word can convey a variety of negative meanings, including arrogance, selfishness, or cruelty. Its use is generally discouraged in polite company and can result in social censure or even legal penalties in some cases.